G'day, it's Mark here at Combi Life, and we're with the short wheelbase T6 4Motion Rockton from Volkswagen. It's a crew van, but it's had a significant upgrade from Cycle. Let's have a look underneath while we've got it on the hoist, exactly what's happened. So first of all, we've got the suspension changes. There are two key elements to the suspension change. We've got the shock absorbers from Cycle, and we have the new springs. You can just see up here, so I clear that off, you can see this is a Cycle spring. So this spring and shock kit gives us a raised suspension of approximately 30 millimeters. We can see it here as well, the Cycle suspension here. So springs and shocks at the back and also at the front, that will give us around about that 30 millimeter lift. Also applied to this vehicle, it might be a little bit difficult to see here, almost impossible to see, but up in here underneath this or above this diff plate is the diff drop kit. There are 3 plates of different sizes, like between 7 and 15 millimeters, that lower the rear diff a little bit to reduce the stress on the drive shafts here and the angles on the CVs here at the back. So if that was not dropped just a little bit, we would have a greater stress on these and potentially further shorten the drive shaft life. We also have 5 protection plates on this vehicle.